extraction of aluminum. Extraction of aluminum. First we are taking bauxite ore. It is concentrated or dressing by chemical method. That method we are called as Bayer's process. Ore is bauxite. Formula Al2O3 2H2O. Concentrated by Bayer's process, that is chemical method. In Bayer's process, we are adding solvent sodium hydroxide. First step, Al2O3 2H2O. This is bauxite. It is heated with sodium hydroxide at 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, gives sodium aluminate plus 2NaOH, heated up to 150 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius. We get sodium aluminate and 2H2O. Now, here 2H2O, it is 3H2O. Now, sodium aluminate treated with water at a temperature 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. We get sodium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Precipitate will come. Now, that aluminum hydroxide is strongly heated to 1100 degrees Celsius. We get pure alumina, Al2O3 and 3H2O. This is Bayer's process. Here it is impure bauxite, it is pure alumina. So removal of impurities is called dressing of the ore. This is pure alumina. We have alternate method also. Alternate method, that we are called as Hall's process. In Hall's process, we are heating the bauxite with sodium carbonate. Bauxite Al2O3 2H2O heated with sodium carbonate gives sodium aluminate NaAlO2 and 2H2O plus CO2. Here it is heating. Again sodium aluminate NaAlO2 plus CO2 plus 3H2O gives rise to Na2CO3 plus AlOH taken thrice, precipitate it is, aluminium hydroxide is formed. Again, third step is same, aluminium hydroxide upon strong heating up to 1100 degrees Celsius, we get Al2O3. It is pure alumina and 3H2O. These two only dressing of the ore. We are removing impurities from bauxite. Here it is oxide ore. That's why we are not choosing second step. In second step we are doing conversion of concentrated ore to oxide ore. Here we get oxide ore. That's why we are not choosing second step. Directly we can enter into third step, that is electrolytic reduction. This electrolytic reduction is also called as Hall-Héroult process. In this process, we are taking electrolyte, pure alumina, Al2O3, and we are adding cryolite, Na3Al F6 plus fluorspar CaF2. It is one part, it is three parts, it is one part. This mixture is added to increase the conductivity of pure alumina and to decrease the fusion temperature. So here this is playing important role, that is to decrease the fusion temperature of electrolyte and to increase the conductivity of Al2O3. Here anode we are taking series of graphite rods, Cathode is rectangular steel tank, lined with or coated inside with carbon lining. Carbon gas it is. We know at anode oxidation takes place and at cathode reduction takes place. Here current we are using is 100 amperes and voltage is 6 to 7 volts and temperature is about 950 degrees Celsius. At this temperature electrolysis is carried out. Then in this alumina we have two ions, Al plus 3 ions, and O minus 2 ions. See, Al2O3 is in equilibrium with Al plus 3 plus 3O minus 2. Anode reaction 3O minus 2 gives rise to 3 nascent oxygens plus 6 electrons. At cathode reaction 2Al plus 3 plus 6 electrons gives rise to 2Al. It is 99.5% pure alumina. This is Hall-Herold's process. We get here impure metal, that is it containing 0.5% impurities. Now to remove these impurities from this metal, we have to enter into refining step, that is also electrolytic refining. Electrolytic refining. This electrolytic refining we are called as Hoops process. In this anode we are taking as impure metal, cathode is pure metals. Here we have 3 layers. Upper layer we get pure aluminium, that is 99.9%. Middle layer containing electrolyte, that is Na3AlF6 cryolite, calcium fluoride fluorspar, and barium fluoride. Bottom layer impure aluminium. We know at anode oxidation takes place, at cathode reduction takes place. Anode reaction, Al loses 3 electrons, Al plus 3 and 3 electrons. At cathode, Al plus 3 plus 3 electrons gives pure aluminium. This is 99.9% pure. This is about Hoops process. Last concept is alloys. Alloys are the solid solution of 2 or more metals with sometimes non-metals also. Alloys are solid solutions of 2 or more metals, and sometimes it may contain traces of non-metals also. Amalgams. Amalgams are the solid solution of metal with mercury. One component is mercury, other is metal. Suppose I am taking sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam means sodium and mercury. This is zinc amalgam. Zinc and mercury. This is. And some alloys. Brass, copper and zinc. Bronze, copper, tin and zinc. Bell metal, copper and tin. German silver, copper, zinc, nickel. Gun metal, copper, zinc, lead, tin. Solder, lead and tin. Type metal, lead, tin and antimony. Magnesium, aluminum 95%, magnesium 5%. Duralumin, aluminum, magnesium, manganese and copper. Stainless steel, iron, chromium, nickel, 0.5% carbon. Nickel steel, iron, nickel, 1% carbon.